I'm Thomas Russo, and I put together a few pictures that describe me well for my photo album. The first one is a picture of my house, where I've lived most of my life, and it's been a great place to live. When I was little, I lived in New York because that's where my dad was from, but when I was about 7, we moved down here because there were better opportunities for jobs for my dad, and there were better schools for the kids, and we already knew a lot of people that had moved down here. And so we moved down, and I lived there all throughout high school. Then after I graduated high school, I went to go study at University of Dallas for a year because I didn't really know what I wanted to do, and I thought that I might as well go to a liberal arts school because you can get any job with a liberal arts degree. But even though that might be true in a lot of cases, I realized that year that that's not what I wanted to study. I enjoyed business more, and I wanted to get a career in business. And so I decided it wasn't smart for me to keep going there. And so I moved back home to this house in Manassas, and it was a great decision because I was able to work for a semester and save up some money. And then this semester I was able to enroll in Nova, where I could study the classes that I was interested in and that I wanted to study. And this house in Manassas has been by far my favorite place to live. Underneath that is a picture of a Slurpee because I love Slurpees. There's nothing better on a hot summer day than drinking a Slurpee after a long day of work or a good game of basketball. And some of my best conversations I've had have been in the parking lot of a 7-Eleven, sipping on a Slurpee. In the middle of the screen, there's a picture of a CD that somebody gave me for my birthday. Because I love music, and I'm always listening to it, whether it's classic rock, country, or pop. I'll really listen to anything. I just think life is better with music. The next picture is a picture from SpongeBob SquarePants because it's just a funny show, and me, as well as all my friends and my siblings, have seen it, and we're always joking about it. And this is important because it's good to have a sense of humor and keep it light sometimes. And this is just an example of one of the things we joke about. Finally, the bottom left corner, there's a picture of Mets Stadium that I took when I went to a game with my grandparents in New York. And I put this in because I love sports, especially baseball. I'm always up for a good game of basketball or football, but baseball has always been my favorite. And I like it so much because it's such a mental game. Any other sport you can practice and get really good at, but baseball, no matter how much you practice, if your mind is not focused, you won't be able to do well. And that's what makes it so much more challenging and why it's so much more fulfilling when you do indeed do well. So that's the final picture. I hope you got to know me better, and I'm excited to read all yours.